Day 2 of my healing journey. Today was okay. Well, I wouldn't say okay. Today I just realized that holding on isn't doing me any justice. That my mind has come to a decision that my heart won't let go. That I can move past this and not look back. It's going to be hard. I'm at the lowest of the low. I feel like I'm just at the bottom. I feel alone. And I just know, as long as I keep God surrounding me and keep praising Him and keep reading my scriptures every day and keep focusing on the ones who really love me, I'll be okay. I'll survive. I just can't sit here and just keep dwelling in hurt and sadness. I have to move forward and be happy with me. I have to get back to me. I have to focus on me. I have to do what makes me happy, what makes me feel good, what makes me look good, what makes me smell good, what makes me just feel like me. This person I'm looking in the camera, I don't know who she is. I don't know who she is. But in due time, I'll get back to me. It's going to hurt. It's going to be a long struggle. But I think, well, I know that I'm worth working on me, getting me up out of this. I have 8 children who's looking up to me. I have 3 daughters who's looking up to me, who I would never, ever, ever in life want to go through what I'm going through. This is my first heartache. This is my first relationship at 20 years. I'm 35 now, but this is my first, at 35 years old, this is my first relationship that I've ever had. This is my first heartache that I'm having to go through. I've been through pain with Michael and I've been through heartache with Michael, but this is the me being over Michael and me being done and moving on with my life and closing that chapter and dealing with heartache permanently. This is the first time I'm having to deal with this, and I wouldn't wish this on nobody. To sit here and be in misery and be depressed and still have to wake up and show up for your children is the most hardest thing that I ever in my life, other than losing my grandmother, my granddad, and my baby. This is the hardest thing that I ever had to go through. But at the end of the day, this is what's going to make me stronger. I got the rest of my life. I done spent 20 years on something that I know that I should have been let go. But you live and you learn. And these are who really matters to me now. This is my main focus, on getting me back. I'm going to get back beautiful. I'm going to work on me. And I'm going to be okay.